Hello, abundance mindset seekers. Let's discuss how to be a money magnet. Ever notice how some people just seem to attract wealth? It's not always about luck or privilege. It's about mindset, that beautiful, powerful force inside you. Your mindset is your money magnet. Think of it as your inner GPS, guiding you towards abundance or scarcity. The good news? You get to choose the destination. Ready to reprogram your financial destiny? Let's dive into the juicy stuff and unlock your earning potential. Get ready for a life-changing journey. Our brains are wired for survival, not always for wealth. From the earliest days of human history, our ancestors had to focus on immediate needs like food, shelter, and safety. This survival instinct is deeply embedded in our neural pathways. We're programmed to avoid risks and cling to the familiar. This is why stepping out of our comfort zones, especially in financial matters, can feel so daunting. The fear of the unknown often holds us back from making bold financial decisions. But here's the secret sauce. You can rewire your brain. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections, allows us to change our thought patterns and behaviors. This means we can train our brains to think and act in ways that attract wealth. Think of it like training for a marathon. It takes dedication, practice, and a sprinkle of self-love. Just as athletes condition their bodies through consistent training, we can condition our minds to adopt a wealth mindset. This involves setting clear financial goals, visualizing success, and taking actionable steps towards those goals. Start by becoming aware of your money thoughts. Are they empowering or limiting? Reflect on your financial habits and beliefs. Do you often find yourself thinking that money is hard to come by, or that you don't deserve financial success? Challenge negative beliefs like money is evil or I'll never be rich. These limiting beliefs can create mental barriers that prevent you from achieving financial success. Instead, question these thoughts and replace them with positive, empowering beliefs. Replace them with affirmations. I am worthy of abundance, or money flows to me effortlessly. Affirmations are powerful tools that can help reprogram your subconscious mind. By consistently repeating positive statements, you can shift your mindset and attract wealth into your life. Remember, you're the CEO of your financial life. Take charge and make decisions that align with your financial goals. Surround yourself with positive influences, seek financial education, and stay committed to your journey. With time and effort, you can rewire your brain for wealth and create the financial future you desire. A goal without a plan is just a wish. It's time to transform those wishes into actionable plans. Let's turn those money dreams into a tangible reality. Imagine the life you want to live, the freedom you desire, and the security you crave. First, get crystal clear on your financial desires. What do you truly want to achieve? Is it a new home, a dream vacation, or a comfortable retirement? Write them down, make them specific, and set deadlines. Specificity is key. Instead of saying, I want to save money, say, I want to save $5,000 by the end of the year. Next, break down your big, juicy goals into smaller, actionable steps. This makes them less overwhelming and more achievable. Want to earn an extra $10,000 this year? Great. Now let's figure out the steps to get there. Figure out how much you need to save or earn each month. Break it down further into weekly or even daily targets if that helps. Small wins lead to massive victories. Celebrate each small step you take towards your goal. It keeps you motivated and on track. Remember, your goals are your compass, guiding you towards your dream life. They provide direction and purpose. Keep them visible, review them regularly, and celebrate every milestone. Each milestone is a testament to your progress and dedication. Stay focused, stay committed, and watch your financial dreams come true. Now let's talk about the power of a growth mindset. It's the belief that your abilities are not fixed. They're like muscles you can strengthen with effort and learning. When you embrace a growth mindset, challenges become opportunities for growth and setbacks become stepping stones. Instead of saying, I can't, ask yourself, how can I? Embrace learning, seek out mentors, and never stop believing in your potential. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Banish limiting beliefs and unleash abundance. This is your journey to a life filled with prosperity and joy. What are those pesky limiting beliefs? They are the invisible chains holding you back from your true potential. They're just thoughts, not facts. These beliefs are often ingrained in us from past experiences or societal conditioning. Time to evict them from your mind and make room for abundance. Imagine your mind as a garden. It's time to weed out the negativity and plant seeds of positivity. Identify the negative stories you tell yourself about money. Write them down in a journal to confront them head-on. Maybe it's, "I don't deserve to be wealthy," or "I will never have enough." These thoughts are not your reality, or "money is the root of all evil." These are just myths that need to be debunked. Challenge these beliefs with evidence to the contrary. Look for stories of people who have transformed their financial lives. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering affirmations. Write statements like, "I am worthy of financial success," or "Money flows to me easily and effortlessly." Repeat them daily, write them down, and truly embody them. Make it a ritual to start and end your day with these affirmations. You deserve all the abundance life has to offer. Embrace this new mindset and watch how your life transforms. The universe is ready to shower you with blessings. Cultivate a thirst for knowledge. You should never underestimate the power of learning. The more you know, the more you grow, and the more money you can attract. Invest in your financial education. Read books, listen to podcasts, take online courses, and surround yourself with financially savvy individuals. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Make learning a lifelong habit. Stay curious, explore new ideas, and constantly seek ways to expand your financial literacy. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. Understand the power of mentorship and support. You don't have to do this alone. Surround yourself with a tribe of supportive, like-minded individuals who cheer you on. Seek out mentors who have achieved the financial success you desire. Learn from their experiences, ask for guidance, and let their wisdom inspire you. Join online communities or mastermind groups where you can connect with others on a similar journey. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. Take action. Your journey to financial freedom begins now. It's time for you to turn knowledge into action. You have the tools, the mindset, and the support system. Now it's time to make it happen. Start small, take consistent action, and celebrate every step of the way. Remember, even the smallest step forward is progress. Don't be afraid to experiment, adjust your approach, and learn from your mistakes. Embrace the journey and enjoy the ride. You've got this. Be proud of yourself for taking charge of your financial future. Remember, you are worthy, capable, and deserving of abundance. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and never give up on your dreams. The world is yours for the taking. Now go out there and create the life of your dreams.